Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into a fascinating topic that's been buzzing around the Bitcoin world: how Bitcoin can separate money from the state. And who better to guide us through this concept than David Sachs? David Sachs, a well-known entrepreneur and investor, has been vocal about the potential of Bitcoin to revolutionize our financial systems. So, what does separating money from the state actually mean? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the current system. Right now, most of the world's money is controlled by governments and central banks. They decide how much money to print, set interest rates, and manage inflation. This gives them immense power over the economy. But here's the kicker: this centralized control can lead to problems like hyperinflation, economic crises, and even corruption. When governments have too much control over money, it can be used as a tool for political agendas. Enter Bitcoin. Bitcoin is decentralized. This means no single entity, no government, no central bank controls it. It's run by a network of computers spread across the globe. Transactions are verified by miners and recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. This makes Bitcoin transparent and secure. David Sachs argues that Bitcoin can create a more stable and fair financial system. By separating money from state control, Bitcoin can reduce the risk of hyperinflation and economic manipulation. Think about it. If no single entity can print more Bitcoin, its value can't be artificially inflated. This could protect your wealth from being eroded by inflation. Moreover, Bitcoin's decentralized nature means it's resilient to censorship. In countries where governments might freeze bank accounts or restrict access to funds, Bitcoin provides an alternative. It gives people control over their own money, without fear of it being taken away. Another point Sachs makes is about financial inclusion. Traditional banking systems can be exclusive, leaving millions of people unbanked. Bitcoin, with its low barriers to entry, can provide financial services to anyone with an internet connection. But let's be real, Bitcoin isn't without its challenges. Its price is volatile, and there are regulatory hurdles to overcome. However, Sachs believes these are growing pains of a transformative technology. As adoption increases and the ecosystem matures, these issues could be mitigated. To sum it up, Bitcoin has the potential to separate money from the state, creating a more stable, fair, and inclusive financial system. It's a bold vision, but one that's worth exploring. So what do you think? Can Bitcoin truly revolutionize our financial world? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.